Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate the shipping costs on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just going to follow this help center article of Etsy. And basically, there is a tool of estimating your shipping costs on Etsy. So all you need to do is to go to the shipping calculator. So as you can see here, to use the Etsy shipping calculator, you can find this from in the shop manager. So simply we can go to the shop manager, and from here we will need just to go to the help. So as you can see, we need just to go to help and then click on estimate shipping costs. So let's just to simply go help, and from here we will find like the seller handbook, seller forms, and Etsy help centers, etc. Otherwise, we can simply go to the shipping calculator from this help center. So here you would find like your domestic or international, and you will choose your zip code and your rates and package type. For example, let's just leave it like that. Let's say that you are using a USPS service or FedEx, and here we'll find all your rates, and otherwise you have some uh, mailing tube or flat or whatever. You choose your weight, and of course you can add the length or the dimensions of your uh, package, and here you will find C rates and discounts. So basically here's you can find this. Let's just choose some one that is already known, and let's choose here the amount for a USPS flat rate small box. As you can see, this would be like your shipping cost. And you can also see if there is some kind of discount that you can use, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.